Building a profitable Amazon business with Alibaba can transform a small investment into significant earnings. Here's your blueprint for success. Start by finding high-demand, low-competition products on Amazon. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to analyze trends. Focus on products with good profit margins, at least 30% or more, and source them affordably from Alibaba. Alibaba connects you to manufacturers producing products at lower costs. Look for verified suppliers and request samples. Negotiate pricing and shipping times to fit your budget, ensuring quality for your products. Branding sets you apart in a crowded marketplace. Design a professional logo and unique selling proposition for your product. Create your Amazon seller account and choose between Fulfillment by Amazon FBA or Fulfilled by Merchant FBM. An optimized product listing is key to visibility. Focus on SEO titles, compelling descriptions, and high-quality images. Use Amazon PPC to increase visibility and consider promotions or giveaways to gather initial traction. As sales grow, reinvest profits to expand your product line and lower costs by ordering in bulk. Monitor key metrics like sales and customer feedback using Amazon Seller Central to optimize your business. By following this blueprint and focusing on value, you can build a sustainable, profitable Amazon business.